Hello everyone, it's Tim, the Pour Artist. We are going to do a flower pour this time. I'm going to do the wet napkin pull and stuff and play around with this a little bit. I've been wanting to, and I keep kind of putting it off. And then, so, hey, thank you all you new subscribers. I'm picking up new subscribers every day, and that's really helping to build the channel. So please keep sharing the videos. All right, let's go. Today I'm going to use a black, okay, and a white. I'm going to use a red, and these are crafts colors, okay, crafts artist colors, I guess. And then I've got an orange, same colors I've always used, same mixture. I do have a video on how I make my paints, and there's a deep yellow, and then I've got this marine blue. I love this blue color. Yeah, so I'm going to try to make a flower out of this one today. First one, I'm going to do a black background. Probably do two of them in this. I don't know yet. We'll see. So let's get started here. Please guys, let me know how I'm doing here. I'm trying to get things going, get a storefront up somewhere. I haven't made up my mind where yet. So if anybody has any suggestions on a good place to sell your art, please let me know. I know there's a lot of you out there that already do sell your art. Got people asking me about it, but I'm not set up yet for it, and I don't know what I need to do to get that done. I need a little bit more black on this side, right here. Okay, hope everybody had a great weekend. I did. Productive weekend. I built my hummingbird bath. I'm just out of things around the house. The only thing I had to buy was the solar powered pump and the bucket. I bought the bucket and stuff at the dollar store. Cheap, 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 cheap. Okay. Give this a little shot to pop the bubbles, if there is any. Alright. I need to find the center of this. So it should be there. Right there. Just kind of gives you kind of an idea where it is. Don't have to be exact. Let's do that. I need, oh, where is it? Okay guys, I'm not delaying here. I know I've got so many videos with this same particular thing. But it works. All right. Let's get started here. I think it's in the middle. We're going to go with it. It'll work. A little blue down. Yellow. Now, did you guys see that video? Oh, no. I posted a video about that when I used that dragon glaze the other day. Oh my. It turned out pretty cool. I was really impressed with it. Ooh, I like these colors. Oh, this red in there, I like that. Beautiful. I was talking to my friendly counselor that I visit with about once a month. I always had an anxiety problem for years all my life, but art has freed me from that so much. I'm telling you guys, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Um, I learned to do mindful things. Something to keep your mind busy so you don't sit there and worry or wonder or whatever it is. Any of you that have ever dealt with anxiety know exactly what I'm talking about. People that have never had it or never associated with it sometimes don't have no idea unless they know somebody that deals with it on a daily basis. And anyways, my art has freed me from that, and so has my relationship with Jesus Christ too. And so I'm very grateful. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Should we go a little bigger? I think we need to go a little bigger. Yes, ma'am. There we go. Just little bits. I don't want to overpower it. We'll never know till the end, right? Oh, I did. I did put some oil in this, silicone oil, to make it give me some cells this time. So let's see what this is going to do. Oh, this is going to be fantastic. I like these. So gorgeous. I want a little bit of black in the middle. Just a little itty bit. Right in the middle. There we go. There we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. I need to lift. I'm going to give it a twist. A little bit of a lift and a twist. There, like that. There we go. Right on. All right. Let's get the little magical tool. Wow, Tim. You need to clean your magical tools now and then. I got another one. You get to forgetting about them. So these are, I've showed them to you before, but this is what I do to do my little out pulls. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to go from the center. I'm not going to go all the way down in the canvas. Okay. All I'm doing is just skimming the paint. And when I do this, it creates a blend that is just incredible. I'm not really wiping that off either. That's gorgeous. Okay, now I got to do some from here in. I know I got so much paint on my outfit now that let's see. Kind of got to take the natural too. Let's start wiping this on a. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na. Oh, there's a natural one right there. Okay, we don't want too much, but I always do. So, never know what's going to happen in the end until it happens. Right? So, do you think I did too much? Not enough? Okay. Okay. Now I need to prepare my napkin. Basically what I'm doing here is I'm just wetting a napkin, damping it down with a sprayer on a wide spray. Okay, you just want to mist it, kind of. I don't want to strip the camera. I'll do that sometime. But yeah, so you just want to get it damp. Why? I don't know. Okay. Want to make sure you haven't picked up anything. I'm going to set this right in the middle. Down this side first. And then up and over. Pull that too. There we go. Now this is the part I'm always afraid of. I'm afraid I pick up too much. I don't know. It says to, I don't know. Do I need to? Isn't that cool? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go corner to corner. My wife came up with a fabulous idea for this to use napkins, not paper towels. Paper towels. What did I do? Oh, I missed this corner. No, I got it. Oh, that's what I got to do. Is that right there? Open that up. Pull that right there. Open this up. Pull this right here. And take this right here. And then let's do it. Fold it. Pull it straight up. Oh, wow. Still didn't turn out how I wanted. Well, this thing's going to grow. Look at all the bubbles. Woo! Look at that grow. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that instantly grow. Oh my gosh. Whew. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. I want to just see if I can get any move. Ooh, I can. Okay. Let's open this up a bit. I know. I'm trying. Oh, wow. I don't know about you guys, but I have a new addiction. And it's right here in my hand. And it is called Pour Painting. Oh my. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. This is fantastic. I know it's got a lot of bright colors to it, but it's amazing. Wow. Should we leave it? Shall we spin it? Wow, guys, what do you think of this? Ha! Oh my gosh. Oh, oh no. Accident. I will be right back to do a close-up with you guys. You know what, guys? I decided to see if I can get this to move a little bit more. I like the negative space down there. Oh, this is gorgeous. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. Okay. Let me get you a close-up, guys. There we go. This is awesome. It said every day is different. Every day is a new creation. Wanted a flower again, and this is what I get. So I'm going to keep up doing and trying. Okay, guys, if you found this video useful and helpful to you, please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you get notifications when I post a new video. And please share on your social medias. And if you're interested in purchasing any of my art, please contact me, and we'll figure something out. I'm trying to set up a website, but we'll figure it out. All right. Thank you. God bless.